Did you know that after the age of 20, we lose about 1% of our collagen production every year? This collagen decline is a primary reason our skin loses its youthful plumpness and elasticity as we age. Fine lines, wrinkles, and sagging skin start to make an unwelcome appearance. But what if we told you there's a way to combat this collagen loss and turn back the clock on aging skin? What if you could stimulate your body's natural healing process to regenerate collagen and elastin? This is where the revolutionary treatments of microneedling and platelet-rich plasma, or PRP, come in. Microneedling and PRP, also called vampire facial, are minimally invasive cosmetic procedures that have taken the beauty world by storm. They offer a natural, effective way to rejuvenate your skin from the inside out. Microneedling uses tiny needles to create micro-injuries in the skin, triggering the body's natural healing response. This process stimulates collagen and elastin production, leading to firmer, smoother, and more youthful-looking skin. PRP therapy involves extracting a small amount of your blood, processing it to concentrate the platelets, and then injecting this platelet-rich plasma back into your skin. Platelets are rich in growth factors that further accelerate collagen production and tissue regeneration. When combined, microneedling and PRP create a powerful synergy that can address a wide range of skin concerns, including fine lines and wrinkles, acne scars, enlarged pores, uneven skin tone and texture, stretch marks, and hair loss. These treatments are suitable for all skin types and can be customized to target specific problem areas. The science of rejuvenation. How microneedling and PRP work. Microneedling creates microchannels in the skin, which act as pathways for the PRP to penetrate deeply. Once the PRP reaches the deeper layers of the skin, the growth factors within the platelets stimulate the production of new collagen and elastin fibers. This process helps to plump up the skin, reduce the appearance of wrinkles and scars, and improve overall skin texture and tone. The results are gradual and natural looking, with continued improvement over time. Real results, real people, real transformations. Countless individuals have experienced remarkable transformations with microneedling and PRP. Patients report seeing visible reductions in wrinkles, fine lines, and acne scars. Skin texture becomes smoother, pores appear smaller, and skin tone becomes more even. These treatments are not just about aesthetics, they also boost self-confidence and improve quality of life for many people. Embrace the future of youthful skin. Microneedling with PRP offers a safe, effective, and natural way to turn back the hands of time. By harnessing your body's own healing power, these treatments stimulate collagen production, improve skin texture, and reduce the visible signs of aging. If you're looking for a way to achieve radiant, youthful skin, microneedling with PRP might be the solution for you. Consult with a qualified dermatologist or aesthetic practitioner to determine if these treatments are right for you and embark on your journey to rediscover your skin's natural beauty.